Well, today I want to give you a crash course in Enclosure 101. So what is the purpose of a Catco enclosure and what does it do? Well, the purpose is to maintain and redirect heating onto certain equipment such as regulators or valve bodies out in the system to prevent the Joule-Thomson effect from happening. And what it is exactly is really just a heater inside of a metal box to maintain that heat and protect it from the elements. So why is it all important? Well, it's important because the Joule-Thomson takes place in pressure points just like the regulator and valve body, making that high pressure to a low pressure, cooling that gas, and eventually frosting or even icing over equipment such as the regulator or valve. So if you have iced over equipment, you don't have gas flowing. So that's why our enclosures are meant to latch onto these certain pieces of equipment so it can really direct that heat perfectly onto that frosting point and keep that gas flowing. That's why we have different types of enclosures. We have ones with 6x12s, we have 6x6s, we have different shapes of enclosures depending on your situation. Because we know that everybody on the field doesn't have the same configuration, everything is different, we have different spaces, we have different amount of clearances. So that's why we have certain documents here to help you guys out to really measure out what sizes you need and what type of configuration you need depending on your situation. So don't feel discouraged because you think an enclosure cannot fit or you need heating and it's just not going to work out. Give us a call, give us your weird situation, and trust me, we will make a custom enclosure built for your system.